Burrow. I log onto YouTube for 2 seconds and I swear it feels like I spawned into the wrong Roblox server. Why is everything on my homepage either some AI-generated Skybiddy Mickey Mouse Ohio Sigma gritty edited at 3 a.m. nonsense or a POV? You're in a brain rot backrooms video? Like hello? Who asked? I'm just trying to watch a normal video, maybe a gameplay, maybe a tutorial, and suddenly it's Top 10 Riz Moments AI voiceover by Peter Griffin gone wrong. Bro, I didn't click that. I didn't even think about clicking that. And don't even get me started on the AI shorts. Every single scroll. Some AI character doing the most cursed and unnecessary edit of all time. Literal NPC behavior. Half the videos look like what happens when a Roblox obby glitches and your character goes flying into the void. And the kids, they love it. They're in the comments like, no way bro cooked. What do you mean he cooked? He didn't even use real footage? I swear YouTube is turning into one giant Roblox roleplay server run by AI. Next thing you know, I'm gonna get recommended, survive the AI brain rot obby for free Robux, not clickbait. I can't escape. I can't breathe. I'm drowning in Sigma filters and Ohio memes. YouTube used to be the place for creativity. Now it's just AI doing the renegade while Minecraft hardcore plays in the background. We are truly living in the final chapter of the internet.